What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make vlogs every single day of my ups and downs in business. So today we are starting with some Coastal Cowboy advertising stickers because we're doing guerrilla marketing, and I'm going to a coffee shop right now. So I'm getting these done right now. I'm gonna hit the play button. So these will start scanning and cutting. So I'm gonna be doing that. Try to get these into coffee shops and see if they can let me put them on display so people can just grab them as they go. Maybe that's gonna work. I do have some friends at the coffee shops now, so maybe there's some opportunity there. So I don't know, we'll talk. I'll let you know how it goes. But anyways, we're gonna start with this. Then we're gonna do customer orders and a possible FBA shipment, and then we'll be done with the day and go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. So a crazy turn of events. This is why we make these videos. I just got an opportunity to put my Coastal Cowboy hats into a cute little boutique event today at 5 o'clock. So I have to get, 8 hats ready to go. So I got to transfer those. And I also want to do some stickers as well. Just like the ones I did this morning. It's like I manifested it. So I'm going to have another 50 stickers I'm going to get out. So we're going to have a lot of work to do today now. Very pumped. So we're going to get that out first and then customer orders last. So change of events, but hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Orders are done. We have all the colors here, 2 of everything. Hopefully they sell out. I can't promise anything. They could sell none or I end up selling all of them. So just pray for me. It'd be really exciting for my first event for them to sell out, but I will keep you posted tomorrow on that. But now we're going to be printing out a couple more stickers. Then I will drop off these hats and stickers, and then I'll come back and do customer orders, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue. All right, y'all, we're done. We got like 100 stickers in here. I got my 8 hats. We're gonna bring them over to the coffee shop and hopefully sell out all the hats and get rid of all of these. So let's get to it. Just got word that the light grip mats are here. Like you've all been saying. Oh. What the fuck? Pretty sure it just broke. Well, here's part of the tape. Here's the tape. Here's the tape. We're good. We're good. Nick. You need to buy light mats. Like you've seen in my other videos. You haven't seen my other videos, subscribe down below. Go check out my other videos because you guys all were asking, Nick, buy light grip mats. Here I am listening to you guys because I was wrong, and I think you were right. So let's see if this is a better option. So I'm gonna fast forward here. I'm gonna cut these into sections. But first, actually before we do that, let's go feel the mat. They are still pretty sticky, so I'm still gonna run and try it and see if I'm gonna do one test and see if I have to de-stick them more, but they are less sticky, but I can definitely tell that they're still pretty sticky. They are still very sticky, so I do have to kind of de-stick them still. Unfortunately, it just seems like it's gonna rip the backing off with pressure. So I guess the light stick is still pretty dang sticky. New mats are just not fun in general. Like, that's not fun. I don't like that. Not ideal. All right, let's give it a shot. Let's put it in fast motion so you guys don't have to watch all this. But let's see how much of a pain it is to undo this. All right, so moment of truth. Did it cut through properly? Can I get them out, etc., etc.? Didn't really touch this one that much, so this will give you a good idea of how sticky these are. These are from NICAPA. I don't know if that's actually a name, so I'm gonna have to peel off this first layer here, which is okay, that's fine. So it cut through, but getting to the second layer here, this is where things are a little tricky. Let's see if it peeled it. See if I'm gonna have issues. Okay, it is kind of coming off, but at the same time, it's still a bit sticky. Remember, this is my first time around though. So I got them off to here. Now how hard is it gonna get these off? That's the question that we're all waiting for. Okay, not bad on that one. Not bad. These are a little tricky, and I've only ran through this one time, so I think if I just put a little bit more fibers or whatever onto the mat, these will be a lot easier to get off, but for now, I'm just gonna pull them off like so. So you're right, guys, you win. The mats are good. Go get light mats, and I'll do an update later on how long they last, how long they stay sticky, because these are great. I'm honestly very impressed. I'm curious how these other mats are gonna do. But now let's go back to fast motion and get these stickers out for the customers. All right, so stickers are done. We got them all here. It was a little bit of a pain to get them off, but for like the first round and then barely like putting any like fibrous stuff on it, it did pretty well. I'd say if I just keep using the mats, they'll get a little bit weaker, which will be good. I highly recommend the light mats for sure. So get the light mats if you're gonna be doing sticker cutting. All right, so we got our envelopes printed out. Let's get these out to the customers ASAP. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time staying here and watching my ups and downs in business. Today turned out a lot different than I expected. There is that event going on at 5 o'clock, so I may go and see if people would like to talk about the brand, so I may film it as well to have for tomorrow's video if I decide to go. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Customer orders are done, so let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, not even gonna lie, it was a pretty rough day. So $14.61 we made on eBay. We made $205.40 on Amazon. That was it. So a total of $220. Yes, this sounds like it could be a lot, but I make around 50% in profit. So you're looking around $100 on average. So it's not great, but yep, can't complain. But it was just a low day, that's all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed these videos. I make a video every single day until we hit 30K a month. So I hope you guys enjoy. We did hit, around $5,700 already. So there is a chance we could hit around 15 if we stayed this way, but also we're trying to hit 30. So let's try to hit 30 this month. We can also, my hats are in that event right now, so I will let you guys know what happened to those hats. Did they sell? Did they not? So subscribe down below if you want to know what happens. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.